It says ratio uses 3 pounds of meat to make 8 hamburgers. And it's asking how many pounds of meat to make 24 hamburgers. So if we go sentence by sentence, 3 pounds for 8 hamburgers. So of course, for each hamburger, she will need 3/8 pounds of meat. And then she needs to make 24 hamburgers. So of course, then that'll be 24 times of that. And you cancel this 8, get 3, and 3 times 3, that's 9. So the answer is E. However, in most of the math problems, you don't want to solve the problem sentence by sentence. You want to read the whole problem and then see, is there any pattern in it? For example, in this problem, we see she wants to make 24 hamburgers, right? And we already know that she needs so much meat for 8 hamburgers. And 24 is a multiple of 8. 24, we know that is 3 times 8. Then we don't have to calculate how much meat needed for 1 hamburger. We just want to know that we need 3 times of whatever that is required to make 8 hamburgers. And that's 3, right? So the answer will be 3 times 3. That's 9. Okay, we can make this problem a little bit more complicated. Let's say, what if we change this question? We say, ratio has enough meat to make, and let's ask, how much more meat? How much more meat does she need to make 95 hamburgers? Right? And then, if you apply the first approach, right, you have to multiply the amount of meat required for 1 hamburger by 15. And then this 3/8 by 95. And then you take the difference. That will be super complicated because you have to multiply this, 3 by 95 and 3 by 15. That will waste you a lot of time. You don't want to do it. What if we apply the second approach? But immediately we realize that neither 15 nor 95 are multiples of 8. We don't have this multiplier. So we can't apply that directly. However, we will realize that we don't need to know this much, right? We only need to know this additional amount of meat. So in order to do that, we realize that if we take the difference of 95 and 15, we will have 95 minus 15 equal to 80. That is 10 times 8. Now we know that for 8 hamburgers, we need 3 pounds of meat. Then 10 times of that, we will need 10 times 3, which is 30 pounds of meat to make this additional 80 hamburgers. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumb up. If you have questions, please comment.